Hi friends, my name is Mel, and in this video I want to show you a trade that I took today, which made me a bit over 200 euros in profit in under an hour. And yeah, if you are interested in this type of videos, make sure to like, subscribe and share this video, and keep on watching. Thank you. And as you can see, we are more in profit. So yeah, I will be back later with some more profit. And we are back in more profit now, as you can see. And as you can see, we are even in more profit, and the price keeps on going down up even more. So I'm going to just close it here. Okay. And as you can see, the signal was very good from the indicators. I entered somewhere here, I think, and look how much it went up. So yeah. And if you are interested in learning my strategy and buying my course, make sure to go to melthetrader.com at courses, and here you'll see my crypto courses, from cryptocurrency for beginners to intermediate course, which comes with 2 free indicators to use on TradingView, buy and sell indicators, to my beginner to advanced course, which comes with the 2 indicators for TradingView as well as with the free software. And you can also get a one-on-one in-person training. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm waiting to see you on the next one. Bye bye.